Good afternoon, student. In our previous lecture, we have seen what is the keywords and tokens, and now in this lecture, we are going to see identifier. What are the identifier? At it is clear from the name identifier. That means कि something which is used to identify something या someone. This is the identifier. Now, what is the meaning of identifier in Python? Now let's see. Identifiers are names. Identifiers are used for naming of variable, object, classes, function, list, etc. That means कि if you want to write a name for anything like a variable, for an object, class, function, list, dictionary, tuple, etc., then you have to use identifier. For example, suppose that I am going to define a variable. Suppose that a is the variable. Now what is the value of a equal to, suppose that we have take 50. Now this means a is the identifier. A is the identifier. That means here a is the variable and now this is the identifier. Now suppose that we are going to define a function. If we are going to define a function, def keyword is used. Def. Now function name, suppose that function name is my function. Suppose that this is the our function. That means this is my fun is the identifier. My fun is the identifier. That means now you have clear concept for identifiers are name used for naming of variable, object, class, function, list, etc. So now here some rules are defined in Python to write or define the identifier. So what are the rules to define identifier? First one is identifier is an sequence of letters and digits. That means you can define identifier with the help of letter and digit. Second one is the first character must be a letter. That means if you are going to define any variable, suppose that ABC 1 2 3 equal to 5. That means ABC 1 2 3 is the valid identifier. Why? How can you say that? Because the first character must be a letter. So this is the valid identifier because it satisfies the second rule and first rule. Here letter and digits and first character must be a letter. But if you are going to define like 1 2 3 1 2 3 ABC equal to 10, that means this is invalid. This is invalid identifier. Why? Because the first character is starting from number. So this is the violation of second condition. Second rule हमारा क्या कह रहा है? The first character must be letter, but here the first character is starting from the digit 1. Now see third condition. Upper and lower case are different. That means because Python is case sensitive language, Python is case sensitive language, the upper and lower case are different. If now see this point, see the third point. Third point is if a equal to 10 and a equal to 10, a equal to 5, that means here a is another variable and this a is another variable. Both are different, not same. Both are not same. This a is another variable, this a is another variable. This is called case sensitive, or upper and lower case are different. This is called case sensitive language. That means you have to take care of the case. Small a is different and capital A is different. Any letter in capital letter and small letter, lowercase, uppercase are different variable or different identifier, treated as different identifier, not the as a same. Now fourth point is, see fourth point, Digits can be used in identifiers but cannot be first character. This is what we are just going to take in the example here. Digits can be used in different identifiers. Here we have used two different digits 1 to 3 but cannot be as first character. Here first character is 1. Then this is not a valid identifier. Our fifth condition is identifier are unlimited in length. You can define identifier of any length. There is no restriction about the length of the identifier. Now next rule is an identifier must not be any keywords of Python. What does it mean? An identifier must not be any keywords of Python. That means if you are going to define any identifier, like suppose that AB AW equal to 10, this is valid. But if you are going to define else equal to 5, this is not valid because this is the keyword. Print is the keyword. Print equal to 5 is cannot be defined because identifier must not be any keywords of Python. Now last one is identifiers cannot contain any special symbol except underscore. That means if you are going to define any variable, like suppose that A has 2 equal to 5, this is not a valid identifier because this is invalid, because no special character can be defined in the identifier. That's why, but we can use underscore. Now A underscore 2 equal to 5, this is the valid identifier. But in the uppercase, in the above example, this is invalid example of identifier. Now last one is underscore counts as letter. Why underscore is accepted by Python? Because it is treated as letter, not as a symbol. So this is the rule of identifier. Now next topic is literals or values. Literals are constant values that have a fixed value. There are types of literals in Python, which is string literals, numeric literals, boolean literals, and special literals, none, and literals collection. Suppose that A equal to H, this is string literal. Suppose that A equal to 5, this is numeric literals. 0 and 1, true and false, this is boolean literals, true and false. Special literals, none. Now we are going to see literals in detail in next lecture. Here some question is for your home assignment. So this is the 5 questions. There are 5 questions, you have to do that in your assignment book. Now thank you for watching today.